What is happening? What is going on? What are you all smoking?
Want daily tech news in a way that doesn't suck? Of course you do. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next episode.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Front Page Tech. Of course, the show that gives you all latest tech news from one geek that is me to another that is you. Happy Thursday, I think. What a day. What a day to be alive. News. All right, so story numero uno, number one for the day. I feel like a crazy person. Okay, so we're gonna talk about the Microsoft event. There was a thing. It happened yesterday. So let's cover that. So you've probably seen a lot of this. You already know what they announced and you're just here to get my opinion, so don't worry. You're gonna get it, honey. At the event, Microsoft announced things like the Surface Pro X. Okay, cool. The Surface earbuds. These things, they look like the results of a marshmallow accident. But most importantly, we got the Surface Neo and the Surface Duo. Two prototypes that will be available next year, like holidays of next year. The Surface Neo is I can't. Whew, okay, I can do this. It's a folding tablet. Computer? It's a computer with a hinge. It folds. I thought there was already a name for that. Oh yeah, like a laptop. It runs Windows 10 X, which is a slightly watered down. What if they use the X like Apple does, and it's actually Windows 1010? Windows 1010, everybody, which is a slightly watered down version of Windows 10, because, you know, that has always worked out for Microsoft in the past. And then, ladies and gentlemen, the thing that everyone is talking about, the Surface Duo, a brand new folding phone, and it runs Android, a version of Android that is themed to look like Windows 1010. Again, we're supposed to call this a folding phone. What is even going on anymore? Like right now, I feel like a crazy person. Everyone is saying that this is cool. And so I feel like the crazy one. Help me out. Am I the only one? Am I the only one that sees this and is like, yeah, that's fucking goofy? Am I the only one? I need help here. To me, Microsoft didn't announce a folding computer tablet experience, and they certainly didn't announce a folding phone. They announced a fucking hinge. That's it. It's a hinge. This is the new product, the Microsoft Hinge. You want a big hinge or you want a small hinge? Pick your choice. Like, I don't understand. Listen, I get it. I know that we're supposed to be shifting into this whole tech is beautiful and wonderful and positive and sunshine and rainbows, kids. But what the f***? How many drugs are you all on? From a scale from 1 to all of them. This is a dual screen phone with a hinge, not a folding phone. This is two phones stuck together with a thing in the middle that makes them stick. This isn't new. I've been doing this shit for years. Like, for years I used dual monitors with my Windows PC. You're telling me that this whole time I had this, if I would have just added something in the middle to hold them together, like duct tape or some shit, suddenly I got myself a spicy folding computer. Folding display? Cause look, there's a hinge now. Help me. What is actually happening? And this isn't available until Christmas next year, 2020. This is insanity. This is insane in 2019, and it's gonna be even goofier next year in 2020. I can't. I feel like I'm the only one. I feel like I'm the crazy one. Okay, just slightly better than the Surface earbuds. How about Airpods? We got a leak for the next version of them, Gen 3. Now, 9to5Mac actually found an image of upcoming AirPods buried in iOS 13.2 beta. It's this little gray and white icon that depicts AirPods, but they don't look like the AirPods that we already got. These are the next generation, Gen 3 noise-canceling AirPods that look like they actually go in ear. I mean, we knew that brand new AirPods were coming, and this appears to be them. We might actually see them like this month sometime if Apple does an October event. That's all well and good. The funny part, though, is that we totally already saw these. Remember this leak from a few months ago? We all laughed at this. We were like, no, that ain't them. That definitely isn't the AirPods. Funny joke, China. But turns out that looks just like this. They're the same. That was a totally real leak that we all went, nah. I love today. Just goofy all the way around. And last up, and this one is for me. This is so I can add just another layer of insanity to today's episode. Something that normally I guess we wouldn't cover, but fuck it. Why not do it today? The Justice Department just gave us details for a case that surrounds an ex-Yahoo employee that hacked 6,000 accounts to get nudes. Apparently, Reyes Daniel Ruse has pled guilty to using his employee access at Yahoo to hack the emails of quote-unquote friends and colleagues in order to get their booby pictures. He has officially been charged with computer intrusion and then another count of interception of wire communication. This little booby peeker could be sent to prison for up to 5 years and additionally a fine of $250,000 plus restitution to the victims. You know, the booby people. This is so gross and so weird. I don't know. So Yahoo had originally fired this dude over suspicious activity on his accounts. The FBI did an investigation and found all this stuff out. And even though this guy did go after and target his friends to get their booby pictures, he also apparently went about compromising around 6,000 other Yahoo accounts of just random people to look for quote-unquote sexual images and videos. Can we even say sexual images on YouTube anymore? Probably not. We'll have to beep that. He used some back-end tools with Yahoo. Ooh, back-end is the wrong word for this context. And he was able to crack the passwords in order to gain access and search. And at first I was like, are you telling me that real functioning humans send nudes with Yahoo Mail? Is that what we're saying? But it turns out, by getting access to their email, he used the information that he gained to then log into their other accounts such as Gmail, iCloud, Dropbox, iCloud being a very bad place to be. And then the genius stored those images and videos that he stole on just a personal computer at home, because why not? This is it. This is exactly what this asshole gets for looking at other assholes. I probably shouldn't have covered this story on the show, honestly. But I wanted to have a little bit of fun. Okay. And that's the show. Hopefully you liked it. You learned something. If you didn't learn a goddamn thing. Hopefully you liked it, though. If you did, hit the like button. If you hate my stupid face, hit the dislike button. That works too. If you're new here, subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.